Soko Scheduler is a tool designed to simplify task planning and resource management by automatically scheduling tasks, optimizing resource allocation, and ensuring that deadlines are met efficiently. At the top, you can switch between 3 tabs: Tasks, Reports, and Assignee Settings. There's also a tab that lets you choose whether to schedule multiple projects simultaneously or focus on one project at a time. When you open the scheduler for the first time, it loads data from the selected project. If any scenarios have already been scheduled, you can reload them for review or adjustment. To replace the current scenario data with project data, right-click on Current Scenario and choose Load from Project. You can either manually assign tasks to specific assignee or let the scheduler automatically choose the best person based on the task type and complexity. For additional customization, you can filter and view specific tasks by applying filters to focus on specific aspects of the project. Tasks can be linked to ensure that dependent tasks are scheduled in the correct order. The scheduler dynamically adjusts the remaining hours based on the time already spent on each task. Tasks are scheduled based on priority, deadline, and the available start date. Tasks with higher priority are scheduled before lower priority tasks. The scheduler assigns tasks based on the artist's skill type and level, suggesting the most suitable person for the job. Only active tasks are scheduled. Tasks marked as discarded, under review, or completed are excluded from the scheduling process. After setting the input parameters, the scheduler calculates the start and end dates for tasks. It also takes into account user availability, such as vacations or other commitments. Once everything is set, click the Schedule button. The Schedule Wizard window will open. You can set a time reserve if needed. For example, 20% means that 20% will be added to the planned hours for each task. In the Precision section, you can choose between quick, precise, and custom scheduling options. Quick scheduling is suitable for scheduling around 1,000 tasks. It takes 30 seconds to complete. Precise scheduling is recommended for larger projects or multiple projects with up to 10,000 tasks. It takes about 5 minutes to complete. Custom scheduling allows you to set the scheduling time manually based on your requirements. The scheduler performs checks for errors, such as missing skill types or levels and tasks with no planned hours. Any potential issues are highlighted for correction before moving forward. Once the schedule is generated, you can review task assignments, user allocation, and timelines. The timeline view offers a visual representation of task scheduling and user assignments. In the Report tab, you can see how tasks and hours are distributed. You can filter this information by person or task type to get more detailed insights. Tasks that fall after deadlines are highlighted for further adjustment. You can save different scheduling scenarios and update project data with those scenarios once you're satisfied with the schedule. To apply the current scheduling plan to the live project, right-click on the scenario and select Update Project with Scenario Data.